it's time to do December's Wrestle Crate UK unboxing. Wasn't able to do last month's due to schedule, and I might miss next month just because there's going to be work going on, and I don't know how whether I'm going to be able to upload it or not. Probably not, actually. But I really did enjoy November's Wrestle Crate tote bags and everything in there, which I'll talk about a little bit in this video. But I really enjoyed last month's Wrestle Crate, including the Kenny Omega Funko Pop vinyl figure that was included. I may actually make a video about these kind of Funko vinyl figures if I have the chance in the next couple of weeks. I've got the guide with me for this month, so let's get to it. The first item, first couple of items is 2 t-shirts. The first being the Jarrett, the Chosen One t-shirt. One of his very, very famous poses, the Chosen One when he was in WCW. I think you can see that. Definitely Double J, the King of the Mountain. JEFF, JARRETT. It states for him, the Chosen One, Jeff Jarrett, is one of the most decorated wrestlers of all time. 75 championships won, including being a 10-time world champion, 4-time WCW and 6-time TNA. I'll add the Hall of Famer in both WWE and TNA. Double J really is the King of the Mountain. So that is the first t-shirt. The second t-shirt, I've kind of looked through these, because unwrapping them, it takes too long on these videos to get them out and then unwrap them, take polythene off them. El Santo Claus, this is a really good one. I like my Luchador t-shirts, Lucha Libre t-shirts, and so that is a really good one. There's one I've been getting the crate for about 8 months or so, nearly around about that, and there was one of the early crates had a white kind of poster style Lucha Libre t-shirts I still really like. So for that it says, "You better watch out, you better not cry, because the festive luchador El Santo Claus is coming to town. You better just hope you're not on his naughty list." So yeah, that's a really good one. I said I like my lucha t-shirts, or maybe a little bit dark. Maybe the colours. Maybe I would have preferred the colours slightly different. But actually, no, that's really good. Certainly, a really good t-shirt. I've got a lot of t-shirts these days. I'm going to do a video on that as well. I'll plan a video, but it depends on different things happening again. I'll come forward now so you can see. The next item is a DVD from Preston City Wrestling, PCW, The Road to Glory 2018, which features some big names: Apollo Crews, Dean Allmark, Eston Reese, Moose, Zack Sabre Jr., Matt Riddle, Polo Promotions, Joey Hayes, quite a big name. It says PCW's annual Road to Glory tournament is one of Brit Wrest's biggest weekends each year, and the 2018 edition certainly lived up to the hype, with a bracket featuring including now NXT superstar Matt Riddle, Zack Sabre Jr., Moose, and WWE superstar Apollo Crews. Who will win the whole thing? Well, I think I know who wins the whole thing, I believe, if I remember rightly. I'm not going to say it, spoiler, because for people who want to sit down, and watch this, so maybe got some time over the festive period. I'll wait and see what happens. But I know I'm not going to have much time towards the end of January. The next is a Tony Storm lapel pin. I like them. I'm not a badge wearer, but I like having these. These are really good designs. They're always quite good designs, obviously, with their kind of, yeah, it's almost like a football, baseball black mark on her cheek. Tony Time. For fresh off the heels of her WWE 2018 Mae Young Classic win, Tony Storm makes a Wrestle Crate return. Represent reigning 2-time WXW Women's Champion, inaugural Progress Women's Champion, and WWE NXT UK Superstar with your new lapel pin. So there is a Tony Storm pin there. Next item, that is on-demand, another on-demand free credit, 2 months of Smash Wrestling.com, Smash Wrestling On Demand. code. It's got code. Where does it say that? Yeah, here's your chance to check out a month of the Smash Wrestling on Demand from Canada on us. So you have a month's trial, and I think 2 months free credit or something. I think anyway, 3 month trial anyway of Smash Wrestling. You next, there is, be careful with these. If I can even see it, I don't think it even has it listed, does it? No, it doesn't list it on there, but there is a sticker included. Strong Boy from Tyler Bates. This is Big Strong Boy that's the, if we can see, yeah, that is basically the same design of the t-shirt that was included last month with last month's Wrestle Crate. That is the same design, Tyler Bates, which was a good t-shirt as well. I've not worn it yet, but I may have actually, I can't remember. No, I don't think I have actually. No, I haven't worn it yet, I don't think. But I might have not, but that's a really good t-shirt actually. Another t-shirt, again, I may do a video sometime early next year of the t-shirts I've worn. And talking about t-shirts I've worn, there's another sticker in here for Riptide Wrestling. This again is just a couple of months ago. If you can see, I know it's a little bit shiny, this is time of the day. You can see that maybe, there's a shark with a belt on it. In the water, saying Riptide Wrestling. That was a design of a t-shirt just a couple of months ago as well. So I've got that one sitting somewhere. I've got basically genuinely running out of drawer space for all the wrestling t-shirts that I have. I'm just going to go with this next one. It's the Eric Bischoff hand signed print. He's back and better than ever. It does note on the guide, it's Eric's Wrestle Crate debut, but that was his song. Obviously he's back and better than ever. That was his WWE lyrics to his WWE theme song. But he's back better than ever. Got a knack for making things better. I kind of disagree with that up to a point. But anyway, it's a handprint signed Eric Bischoff NWO thing. Also, we teamed up with the former president of World Championship Wrestling and Raw GM Eric Bischoff while he was recently in the UK to hand sign these art prints. Designed exclusively for WrestleCrate by NWO artist Nolanium. Nolanium. I'm possibly pronouncing that wrong, but there it is. That's a really good one. Not met Eric Bischoff. I know a couple of friends went through the Glasgow date to meet him, including friend Brian, who kind of modelled himself on Eric during the recent quite successful heel run in local SWE promotion. Genuinely annoyed a lot of people. It was a good couple of years for him. Next, there's only a couple of items left. There is, there's a great calendar coming up. I really look to that, but the next one, sometimes I don't have the chance to pick up the latest wrestling magazine. So, I think there was a magazine in last month's. I can't forget the name of it now, but there was certainly a magazine last month, and this month you get another magazine, Wrestle Talk magazine issue 7. You got I've had a couple of Wrestle Talk magazines included in Wrestle Crate. The latest issue of the excellent Wrestle Talk TV magazine includes articles on Cody following his father's footsteps as NWA World Champion, the state of wrestling, big promotions, plus loads more. So that will be certainly something that I'm going to read through. Obviously, it's got it's kind of, I've said it before when the previous issues have been included. It's kind of based on the old Power Slam magazine, where it really should show you kind of got some bits about the latest news about results going on, TV reviews. That's actually a great picture of, if you can see that, of Eddie Guerrero and Rey Mysterio. There's some great opinion, news, reviews in Wrestle Talk issue 7. So that is that'll be the latest one, obviously. I'm going to try and quick to see what it says. Yeah, well, it doesn't say. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on that, but that's going to be great to read through. And the last issue. Now, I've said before, I'm a kind of a wrestling fan photographer. I'd go to the local SW wrestling shows and take photos. I still have the last month's photos to go through, finish going through, again, because of scheduling different various personal family things. I haven't had the chance to upload them, but I really like it. And there was it last month or a couple of months ago now? Yeah, because I think I uploaded that video. But anyway, I think it was 2 months ago. There was a collection of a few photos from a really great Japanese photographer, and in the last item for this Wrestle Crate is another great photographical related item. It's an official Beyond Gorilla calendar 2019. That looks really good, and there's some fantastic pictures in this. There's some, obviously each month there's a couple of different, for example, the Cody Rhodes and Brandy Rhodes, is the good one is. I saw Minoru Suzuki for the month of September, and actually I can show you on the back of it. Actually, there's a great one. One of the guys I've always wanted to meet, probably won't get the chance to, Jushin Thunder Liger. If he ever appeared locally, I would go mental, because he would be, I doubt it's ever seen him, but that's a great picture as well. So it's an official calendar 2019 by Beyond Gorilla. So it runs, obviously, it's a 12-month calendar. Yeah, January through till, if I can, through to December. The last one is actually, this is quite actually good link to get out of here, to exit this, finish this video in a minute. Will Ospreay. Quickly though, once again we teamed up with one of the best wrestling photographers in the world to create this exclusive Beyond Gorilla Wrestle Crate 2019 calendar. Enjoy one of 12 beautifully captured portraits of action shots every month throughout 2019, featuring Cody, Okada, Jimmy Havoc, and many more. And it kind of, it's a good kind of wrap-up segment as well. Ospreay, you can see there, is pictured for December, and in fact he will be on, an item of, well, related to Will Ospreay is to be featured next month in Wrestle Crate, and here is the January's Wrestle Crate. There's a Will Ospreay item featured in there. So yeah, this is a lot longer video than some people do the unboxings, but I really enjoyed getting Wrestle Crate for the quite a few months that I've got it this year. Some really great, excellent items that have been in the Wrestle Crates over these past few months. Really enjoyed it. Merry Christmas to all the Wrestle Crate people. I really enjoyed it, and continuing next year. It's a little bit strict, kind of strict financially, but I'm really wanting to keep this going for now. We've got some great items, some great T-shirts, some lapel pins, some great tote bags, and different items that that's been included in the Wrestle Crates. It's been actually really been for 20 odd, nearly 30 quid in total. It's just been fantastic value. So that's it for December. It's been really good. This is not going to be my last video of this year. I'm not sure exactly whether that's still really going. I don't know whether I'll even get the chance to kind of mark that. There's a couple of videos I want to do, but anyway, that's the Wrestle Crate UK unboxing for December 2018. I can't wait to see what is in the January crate. Alongside that, of course, that Will Ospreay related item.